Firefighting is changing. Is your turnout gear keeping up? Today, departments are being asked to respond to a greater variety of hazards than ever before. Even in traditional fire calls, the environment is evolving. Synthetic fuel loads are becoming more common, putting dangerous toxins into the air. These chemical exposures could pose chronic health risks. Are you doing everything you can to help protect your people's long-term health? Short-term risks are also changing. Firefighters must wear and carry more gear than ever before, increasing the physical burden on firefighters. Some of them are carrying half their body weight in gear for an hour or more. What can you do to respond? Globe Athletix turnout gear from MSA can help improve your firefighters' performance and safety. Firefighters report that it feels dramatically lighter than traditional turnout gear, helping to reduce physical stress and fatigue and the mistakes they can cause. Athletix doesn't just provide thermal protection. When combined with the Globe Guard system, it helps reduce exposure to dangerous particulates in the air. What your firefighters will like best about Athletix, however, is that it is constructed from stretch fabrics in a way that maximizes range and ease of motion with less bulk. Now they can be protected from heat and other dangers without feeling constrained by their gear. As for your buying committee, what they will appreciate most about the Athletix line is its industry-leading durability, which maximizes value. Help your firefighters perform at peak capacity with Athletix turnout gear. Contact your local representative to learn more.